Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones SONOS ACE. Firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that press and hold power button. And then also connect the headphones to the power and just hold it. Here we go. Now LED light is blinking white, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And then we should see it as a device list, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!